This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper key fob. First, locate the small silver button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the integrated metal key, then slide it out. This metal key is essential for the next step. You will also need a small, flat tool, which could be the metal key itself or a small flathead screwdriver, to carefully pry open the casing. Now, with the metal key removed, carefully examine the key fob's casing. You should find a small indentation or a subtle seam along the edge. Insert the tip of your metal key or a small flathead screwdriver into this designated slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist or pry the tool to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round coin cell battery. Most Mini Cooper key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Gently push the old battery towards the center of its compartment or carefully pry it out using your small tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. With the new battery in place, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all edges match up. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the metal key back into its slot until it locks into position. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Mini Cooper to ensure it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.